Alright, so I don't know how many times it's going to take, but time to try and fix the mistake. I mentioned in a video a while ago that I built this table before I got the saw, so I didn't exactly have this perfect, or at least close to what I was hoping it would be. So I'm going to take at least some of it apart and try and do a better job of making this table the useful workbench that I need it to be. Because I'm not doing a solid wood bench, I'm actually doing a plywood top bench. Even though the plywood top is 3/4 of an inch, I want to have a little bit more mass that I can go ahead and put my bench dogs in. So when I drill through, I have something extra to support those, and I'll go ahead and bring at least the outer two all the way out. The ability to do this project and most of these projects without having to go buy any new material or with using already owned material is quickly coming to a close. I still have lots of material, don't get me wrong, but not for the kind of projects that I need to do. I think that in order to do, because I'm going to do drawers here, over there, and over there, in order to do the drawers, I'm going to have to break down, I'm going to have to start buying some wood. That's all right. I've done a lot in this shop without having to spend any money whatsoever, and I am super thrilled to get rid of some of the old junk that I've got, and to give it a life where in the past it's just been taking up space on the shelf. I cut maybe 4 inches off of the total width of this. Doesn't matter. The table is exactly what I want it to be. I got a little lip here so that if I bring stuff to the edge, I can go ahead and clamp it right to this lip. I'm going to end up putting some drawers in there. This will be an open area. I'm going to end up doing something in here, but I'm not exactly sure what. Seal off the ends here. So that's this. Probably when I put this in edit, it'll be a very short video. But this is just getting this table to the point where I can now start working on drawers, because drawers are going to be a much bigger project.